Hello everyone, I'll show you how to schedule meeting in Calendly. First of all, open it and log in, and after you log in inside the account, now what you need to do is to tap on create from here, and we have four options, and you need to tap on the second one, which is one-off meeting. Tap on it, and from here you need to choose the duration of the meeting. You can choose 15 minutes or 13 minutes or 1 hour or custom as you want. It is up to you. I will choose 13 minutes, and after that from here you can choose certain times from here when you are available. For example, I will choose add times, and if you scroll down you will find the times you are available for meetings from here, and if you want to delete one of them just tap on it as you see. And if you want to add times from here as well, and after that from here as you see, if I want to set the duration for 1 hour, the time will expand from here if you see it, and if I get back to 13 minutes the time will be less, and after that tap on next, and from here what you need to do is to choose the location, Zoom or phone call or anything. I will choose for example this, and after that, after you choose the location where you want, and now scroll down, and from here you want to reserve times, read this carefully to understand it, and we have invite language. You can choose whatever language you would like, and tap on share meeting link, and copy the link and share this link with your client. And basically that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.